Hi everyone, I'm Rajeshri here. From the previous videos, you would have learned about building workflows. Now let us understand how to use a workflow in an application. You can trigger a workflow internally, that is from within the application, or you can trigger a workflow externally, that is from outside the application. Within the application or within the Zero Code platform, you can trigger a workflow from Spreadsheet, from form, data list, through HTML card, or through Live Cloud. So to begin with, let us understand how to connect and trigger a workflow from a spreadsheet. This is my spreadsheet. There is a status column here and I can select the status as pending, in progress, in QA or completed from the drop down. So now I want a notification to be displayed every time I change the status. So for that, I have created a workflow here. This workflow has an entry block and a notification block. Inside the notification block, I have given the message that I want to display when I change the status. Now let us go back to the spreadsheet. Here I am going to connect the workflow to the status column so that when I change the value of this column, the workflow gets triggered and the notification is displayed. To connect the workflow, select the status column from here and from the column settings, scroll down to On Change Event. Here I am choosing the workflow that I have built. Now update the column settings. Now if I change the status, you can see that the workflow gets triggered and you get the notification. So this is how we trigger a workflow from the spreadsheet. Moving to form. I am adding the status field to the form and updating the form. You get a preview of the form by clicking here. If I select and change the status from here and save the form, the workflow gets triggered and you can see that the notification is displayed. Let us close the form builder now. You can trigger the same workflow from data list also. Let us open the data list task list. I am adding a column and adding the status field to the data list. From the options here, choose drop down list and update your data list. Update the dashboard. Click View. Now if I select and change the status from here, the workflow is triggered and the notification is displayed. You can trigger a workflow in various other ways also. For example, on opening a dashboard, on page refresh, before saving a form or after saving a form, or from an external URL. All these will be explained in detail in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.